Do you find yourself wide awake at 2 a.m., staring at the ceiling or scrolling endlessly on your phone, only to wake up feeling completely exhausted the next morning? Or maybe your sleep schedule is completely off track and no matter how hard you try, you can't seem to fall asleep at a normal time. If so, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with an irregular sleep cycle, but what if there was a way to reset your internal clock in just 3 days? Sleep problems aren't just frustrating, they have real consequences. Lack of quality sleep can lead to brain fog, weight gain, weakened immunity, anxiety, and even serious health conditions like heart disease. But here's the good news. Fixing your circadian rhythm doesn't have to take weeks or months. With the right scientifically backed steps, it is absolutely possible to retrain your body to sleep better in just 72 hours. Before getting into the details, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content on better sleep, health, and wellness. Now, let's get into how to reset your sleep schedule effectively. The first step to fixing your sleep schedule is understanding why it's out of sync in the first place. The body runs on an internal biological clock known as the circadian rhythm, a natural cycle that regulates sleep, wakefulness, and energy levels. This clock is primarily influenced by light, temperature, and melatonin production. But here's the problem. Modern lifestyles are destroying this delicate balance. Why does modern life make it so difficult to maintain a healthy sleep cycle? Exposure to blue light from screens at night, irregular sleep patterns, caffeine late in the day, and stress are some of the biggest culprits. Even something as simple as not getting morning sunlight can disrupt the body's ability to regulate melatonin and cortisol levels, making it harder to fall asleep at night and wake up feeling refreshed. So how do you reverse these effects and reset your sleep cycle in just 3 days? The first 24 hours of your sleep reset are the most crucial. This is where your body will start recalibrating its internal clock, so every step must be followed strictly. The goal is to send strong signals to the brain that it's time to shift into a new sleep pattern. The most important step? Wake up at the same time every day, no matter how much sleep you got the night before. This forces the body to start adjusting to a new schedule, even if the first day feels rough. Immediately after waking up, go outside and expose yourself to natural sunlight. Sunlight in the morning helps suppress melatonin and increase cortisol levels, which naturally boosts wakefulness. If you can't go outside, use a bright light therapy lamp for at least 15 to 30 minutes. To avoid sabotaging your reset, limit caffeine intake to before noon. Caffeine has a half-life of around 5 to 6 hours, meaning that even an afternoon cup can linger in your system late into the night, making it harder to fall asleep. As evening approaches, stop using screens at least 90 minutes before bedtime. Blue light blocks melatonin production, making it significantly harder to feel sleepy at the right time. If you must use screens, switch to blue light blocking glasses or enable night mode on devices. Finally, on night 1, go to bed at your new target bedtime, even if you don't feel tired yet. This might be tough, but training the body to lie in bed at the right time signals your brain that a new pattern is forming. Day 2. Reinforcing your sleep schedule. On day 2, your body is still adjusting, so consistency is key. Again, wake up at the same time as you did on day 1, no matter how groggy you feel. To fight off daytime sleepiness, try engaging in physical activity in the morning or early afternoon. Research shows that regular exercise, particularly cardio or resistance training, improves sleep quality and helps regulate the body's internal clock. Diet also plays a big role. On day 2, prioritize foods that naturally support melatonin production, such as bananas, almonds, turkey, and kiwi. Avoid processed foods, excessive sugar, and heavy meals late at night, as they can disrupt digestion and interfere with deep sleep. In the evening, create a sleep-friendly environment. A cool, dark, and quiet room is ideal. Set the temperature between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the optimal range for triggering the body's natural cool-down process that promotes better sleep. By night 2, your melatonin levels should begin adjusting. However, if you're still struggling to fall asleep, try natural relaxation techniques like deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or a warm bath 90 minutes before bed. At day 3, locking in your new sleep pattern. By day 3, your body is beginning to sync with the new routine, but for long-term success, the final day is about reinforcing the habits to make them permanent. One crucial tip: stop napping, especially in the afternoon. Naps longer than 20 minutes can disrupt nighttime sleep by reducing the natural sleep drive that builds throughout the day. Another game changer? Reduce late-night mental stimulation. If you often lie in bed with racing thoughts, try journaling, meditation, or listening to calming music before sleep. By night 3, your body should now be naturally feeling sleepy at the right time. If you followed all the steps, consistent wake-up times, morning sunlight exposure, no blue light at night, and proper sleep hygiene, your circadian rhythm should be on its way to full restoration. Here's some final tips for long-term success. Resetting your sleep schedule in 3 days is possible, but maintaining it requires discipline. Avoid sleeping in on weekends, keep a consistent bedtime, and continue prioritizing morning light exposure. If you ever fall off track, simply repeat these 3 steps to realign your circadian rhythm. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert-backed health and wellness tips. Drop a comment below and share your experiences. What's the biggest challenge you face when trying to fix your sleep? Let's discuss in the comments.